should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Sookie here. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I clean up my makeup desk. It's been a while since I actually sit here and go through what I have in there, and there's a bunch of junk in there that I don't need. And I was like, why not show you guys how I do it? Because it's been a while since I put up a video anyway. So I just want to take you guys with me and show you guys how I get this stuff organized. So if you're interested, you keep on watching. And of course, I got me in a glass of wine, you guys. This is a Moscato. It's so good. I used to be a red wine girl, and now I'm a Moscato girl, and I absolutely love my Moscato, and it's pretty good. I love it. All right, you guys, so in here I just have like a bunch of papers and stuff, calendar, like it's just a whole bunch of papers. All right, you guys, and then in here I have lots of other things in here. Crap. And now we're gonna get into my makeup. All right, so see, this is my makeup. It's not organized. I just have everything thrown in here. Palettes mixed with brushes, mixed with concealers, foundations, everything not supposed to be there. So I got this big, huge bin here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put everything in my drawers that don't belong there. I'm gonna put them in this bin so that I can like organize them later. Also, I have a lot of things to throw away in there, so I need to throw them away. I don't need them. They've been sitting there for like I've had some of these makeup for years, okay? Years, and it's time for them to get thrown out. And I also want to buy new makeup, so I can't buy new makeup if I still have so much stuff here. You know what I'm saying? So I have this bin here to put all the things that don't belong in there, and then I'm gonna have a trash bag, and then on the floor I'm gonna have like all of my makeup, and I'm also gonna wipe down all of my makeup with some Clorox wipes because they're dirty. As you can see, like here, like this dirty, I need to clean it. Yeah, I'm gonna need a sip of wine before I start.
Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up.
All right, you guys, so that's it for. Okay. So you guys, that's it for the things that don't belong in this drawer. A lot of things did not belong in this drawer. I know it would take me a long video to try to organize all of these, so that's why I have it in this bin, and I'll organize these when I'm done filming this part of the video. Push that away. And now let's get to the makeup. All right, so it's all empty. Oh my gosh, this is so sad. So sad, so sad. Everything's empty. So my palette's here, my foundations and liquids here. I don't know what I did there. My brushes and my blenders, my sponges. I gotta wash this whole basket full of stuff. And then some sponges, and then like my powders. And then some pencils, like lip pencils and eyeliners. Some, what do you call these? Some face primers. I thought this Fenty Beauty one was done. I haven't used it in a while, but actually it's not done. The pump just wasn't working. And then I have some liquid lipsticks and some eyeliners and mascara here. So this is how my floor is looking right now.
Request my chariot to get ya. The door's open. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that.
Alright, my beautiful people, we're gonna start putting everything back in the drawers, but I'm going to wipe them down before I put them in here, and then I'll show you guys the after because my battery is about to die. So yeah, I'm just gonna wipe them down and put them in here, and then I'll show you guys like the after. So this is what I'm throwing away. I'm throwing away these foundations here, these palettes. Yeah, I'm throwing all of these away because I don't need them anymore, and I don't really like them, you know, and some of them are like done, things like that. So I'm throwing all of these away, and I cannot wait to show you guys the drawers because they look so nice. All right, you guys, so I'm about to show you guys the drawers, and they look so nice and beautiful and just like minimalistic that I don't ever want to get them dirty or add more makeup into them because they look so clean just how it looks right now. But you know, I love to buy makeup and shopping and stuff, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm going to show you guys how the drawers look now. It looks so good, and I wiped everything down. Everything is organized in a certain way, and let's see what I did. Alright, so this is my cream and liquid drawer. So I have all of my foundations in here, and my cream contour and concealer. That's what's in here. And then in the second drawer, I have all of my powder stuff for my face. So like my setting powders and my highlighters and my bronzers. I got all of those in here. And my blushes. That's what I have in this drawer here. It's really organized and cute. And then in the third drawer, I have all of my eyeshadow. I'm missing a palette, but it's in my room. So I have my eyeshadow in here, and then I have like my eye pencils, my eyeliner, and also my eyebrow pencils, and my mascara. I only have 2 mascaras because I threw away all of my other mascaras away. But yeah, so I only have these 2 mascaras, and then my eyeshadow palettes. And then in the fourth drawer, I have my lip stuff. So I have my lipstick, and I have all of my lip liners, and then this lip palette. My other lipsticks are right here for decoration. So I have my other lips stuff there, like my nudes and stuff, so they're over there. So they're not in here. So that's my lip stuff. And then in the last drawer, I'm gonna be putting my brushes and stuff, and my applicator tips and stuff. That's what I'm putting in here. I leave lotion in here because my hands always get dry, so I like to just have like lotion everywhere, my purse, my drawers, everywhere, so that I can never have dry hands. And then I have these wedges here, and I'm gonna put some brushes in there. It's empty because all of my brushes and my blenders are dirty, so they're right here, and I have to wash all of them. I have a lot of brushes and blenders, and I ordered some more last night too, so I don't know why I did that, but yeah. So these are my brushes and my blenders, and I have to wash all of them and then dry them and then put them away when I'm done. And of course I wipe down my desk, and it looks nicer. Yeah. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hoped you got a few lessons on how to clean your makeup drawers, or some ideas on how to organize them. The drawer that I use is an Alex drawer. I got it from IKEA. I don't remember how much it costs, but it's like everywhere. A lot of people have these drawers. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep seeing more of my fabulous videos. And also give this video a thumbs up if you liked my organizing, cleaning little video. We'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.